Market swings can feel like a roller coaster. One day you're up, the next you're holding your breath. But here's the thing, gold and silver don't move in lockstep with the stock market. And that can be a big advantage for your retirement savings. When the markets get rocky, most assets tend to follow the same downward path, but gold and silver often march to a different beat. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that these metals are considered uncorrelated to stocks and bonds, meaning they don't always react the same way during economic turbulence. That's why some investors use them as a form of portfolio insurance to help offset losses elsewhere and smooth out the ride. History shows they have preserved value through recessions, inflation spikes, and even major financial crises, giving you something solid to hold on to when everything else feels uncertain. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to help you invest with more confidence. I've linked this one in the description. If you want to see how gold and silver can act as a stabilizing force in your retirement strategy, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, easy to follow, and full of practical insights to help protect your savings. You will find the link in the description.